If you've ever been tasked with finding a solution to a problem, you've probably tried brainstorming. But what is it? Generally, brainstorming is about writing down an unfiltered and vast array of ideas to later focus on the ideas that best fit the problem. When done correctly, it can breed creative ideas and clever solutions, promoting lateral thinking often lost in a more structured, analytical approach. To get the best results from your brainstorms, keep these factors in mind. 1. More is more. While generating ideas for your task, everything counts. While most ideas might seem ridiculous, the purpose of the exercise is to change the way we think, to push beyond the obvious and into uncharted territory. Many ideas won't get used, however, they are crucial to the process. 2. Don't judge. The time for critique will come, but premature judgment can cause withdrawal from the process. Creativity flows when we are relaxed and comfortable. It's important not to condemn any idea as unhelpful, which is particularly important within group brainstorming. 3. Keep it fun. It's no surprise that fun and creativity go hand in hand. Pressure kills the creativity by funneling ideas back to what is safe. In a group, allow for jokes and laughter, as it's an indication of comfort and will allow for better ideas. And if you're wondering how to manage all these ideas, consider mind mapping. Created by Tony Buzan, mind mapping can be used to generate or flesh out existing ideas. It involves putting the problem or concept in the center and linking ideas in the surrounding space. Further ideas are then given their own links until you're left with a map of interconnected solutions and themes. By taking advantage of these tips, you're sure to get the most creative results and have a great time while doing it. It is, after all, how we made this video.